forecast discussion from the National Weather Service, St. Louis, Missouri, issued 6:20 p.m., Saturday, November 5th, 2022. The short term was issued at 2:24 p.m. by BRITT, B-R-I-T-T. Latest surface analysis is showing a deep low over Wisconsin with a cold front extending south through eastern Illinois into western Kentucky and Tennessee. There was also a weak trough extending southwestward through Iowa into northern Missouri. The tight pressure gradient around the low was continuing to produce wind gusts into the 30 to 40 mile per hour range across the county warning area this afternoon. The latest high-resolution EF, one of the forecast models, is showing that the low will continue to move northeast this afternoon and this evening, which should allow the pressure gradient to relax some. In addition, forecast soundings are showing decoupling after sunset, which should also lead to the winds decreasing this evening. Latest water vapor imagery is not only showing the deep low over the western Great Lakes associated with the Wisconsin surface low, but also another upper low along the Montana border with Canada that the high-resolution model has moving east into Ontario by late tomorrow. The attendant cold front will move southeast across Missouri and Illinois during the afternoon. This will be a dry frontal passage with the dynamics staying well north of the area and little moisture to work with. Lows tonight will be close to early November normals behind today's cold front, with mainly sunny skies and southwest winds ahead of the front and 850 MB temperatures climbing back to around 10 degrees Celsius. Highs will warm back up to just above normal. Let's look at the long-term forecast discussion for St. Louis since it included a chance for snow. So, issue 2:24 p.m., Saturday, November 5th, 2022. There's fairly decent agreement between the GFS, European Computer Model, and the CMC, and their ensemble means that the upper pattern will become highly amplified by midweek as a trough digs into the western continental United States. This will initially cause 500 MB heights to rise over Missouri and Illinois as the upper high over the lower Mississippi Valley builds northward. There will be a slight chance of showers on Monday night as a weak impulse moves northeast across Missouri in the southwesterly flow aloft. A better chance of rain will come Thursday into Friday when the long wave trough moves east with its attendant cold front across the area. Given that amount of ascent with the dynamic trough and available Gulf moisture seen in the GEFS IVT plots, the increased precipitation chances from this run of the blend, the NBW, looks reasonable. Precipitation probabilities from the NBM and the DESI support this. Temperatures will be on the rise through the early to middle part of next week as 850 MB temperatures will be in the 10 to 14 degrees Celsius range before a cold front moves through on Thursday. The NBM and the DSI temperature spread show little spread through the midweek, which increases confidence that temperatures will slowly warm up through Wednesday. Confidence is not as high on Thursday, given questions on how quickly the front will move through. Expect much cooler temperatures for the end of the week, as an 850 MB temperatures will drop below zero.